Hi friends, I am Sajat and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the always-on display functionality and what are the features it got included in the Realme X2 device. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys. SciTech Guru will be posting a lot of interesting reviews and videos and a lot of comparison as well. So you can find the playlist of the Realme X2 device in the description. So where you can see a lot of videos which are uploaded on the Realme X2 device. So in the upcoming days, I'll be posting plenty of videos on the Realme X2 and comparing with the other smartphones as well. So Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Honor 9X device. So you can see the list of videos which I'll be doing in the upcoming. So let me show you the variant exactly what I'm using in this video. So you can see a 8GB and a 128GB variant. So you can find the always on display features which is present in the display here, display folder. And then you need to select the screen of clock. So this just an normal clock which will display the time, percentage of the battery and date and day, as you can see here. So even if you get any notifications, it doesn't display any notifications on the always on display. So this is pretty disadvantage in the Realme X2 device, and same disadvantage in the color OS as well in this OS. Because this is the same thing which I am problem in the previous mobile Realme X device. So where the always on display is only mentioning only the time and date and battery percentage, which is not at all good. So it should also display the notifications as well. So let's compare side by side with the Redmi's like MIUI's always on display features, what it got included. So here you can add the text as well. As you can see, you can use the specific text. Subscribe to SciTech Guru, which I have chosen. So you can add plenty of other themes which you can select here. So with the recent update in the Redmi K20 Pro, all these kind of features which got added in the device, so which is very good. So only with the one update it added plenty of features. Previously it used to be only a few background images, but after the update they included adding the text and a lot of animations, as you can see here. So which is very good and very interesting to use. So even the always on display displays the notifications of every application whatever you get in the device, so which is not present in the Realme's color OS. So definitely in the future the Realme should take care of adding the new features in this update. So that's it guys, it's a quick review demonstrating the always on display feature, how you can use and what are the features it included. Pretty much there is not at all single feature included apart from starting and ending the time. So definitely in the future there is not a lot of room to improve in this area, because the Realme X2 has an AMOLED panel. It's very good to use the always on displays because it doesn't drain the battery that much of the AMOLED panels. So that is pretty advantage of having the phone with the AMOLED panel. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting reviews and tips and tricks in the future. So if you want to know more about the videos, it's better to subscribe right now. See you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.